Hello everyone, and welcome back. Imagine you are browsing the web and you find an interesting video or a button promising a free prize. You click play, but in reality, without you even knowing, you didn't play a video, you actually deleted your account or transferred money from your balance. This is the world of clickjacking, a clever attack where what you see is not what you are actually clicking on. Today, we are going to dive into how this attack deceives users and, more importantly, how you can protect your applications from it. So, how exactly does this theft happen? It is essentially a visual illusion. The attack follows three main steps. 1. Creating a malicious page. The attacker designs an attractive page, like a game or a prize offer, that looks completely harmless. 2. Hidden inclusion. This is the trick. The target website, for example, your bank settings or social media profile, is loaded inside a transparent frame, with opacity 0, directly on top of the attractive page. 3. The jacked click, a fake, enticing button is placed exactly over a sensitive real button on the hidden site, such as disable 2FA. If we look at the layers of the attack, the top layer is what you see, the fake button, the middle layer is the invisible frame, and the bottom layer is the actual target site where the action happens. You might think, I'd noticed that, but the danger lies in its silent and effective nature. Hidden and hard to detect, there is no malicious code or malware being injected. To the server, the action looks perfectly legitimate because a self-authenticated user is the one who made the click. Exploits user trust. It breaks the fundamental trust between a user and the graphical interface they see. No data entry required. Unlike attacks like SQL injection, this doesn't require you to type anything. One single click is enough to cause damage. Real-world damages can include forcing you to like or follow accounts without your knowledge, changing your security settings, or even confirming unauthorized financial transactions and deleting sensitive data. If it's so dangerous, why do browsers allow iframes at all? Well, iframes are essential for embedding maps and videos, so browsers can't block them entirely. Therefore, protection is the responsibility of the website itself, not the browser. The solution isn't filtering user input, it's about using server headers to control who can display your page. We have two main lines of defense. 1. X-frame options. This is a classic header. You can set it to deny to stop all framing, or semi-origin to only allow your own site to embed the page. 2. Content Security Policy, CSP. This is the modern and more flexible standard. By using the frame ancestors directive, you get precise control. For example, none acts like a total block, while self limits embedding to your own domain. Once applied, if an attacker tries to embed your site, the browser will simply show a refuse to connect message, keeping the user safe. To wrap things up, remember that clickjacking targets trust, not code. If you are a developer, here is your action plan. First, check your current headers using browser developer tools to see if your sensitive pages are sending X-frame options or CSP. Second, implement CSP with frame ancestors self as your primary line of defense. Third, prioritize your sensitive pages, such as login screens, account settings, and payment gateways. Thanks for watching, and keep building a safer web.